Hey homeowners, we're gonna reveal to you the 4 shocking ways home window tint can forever change the way you and your family enjoy your home. Let's get started. So the first major reason why homeowners reach out to us is for heat control. So a lot of times, whether it's in the morning or in the afternoon, there's so much sunlight and it becomes so intense that the room gets filled up quickly and it's just warm and uncomfortable to be in. And so many times homeowners have to leave on their AC to cool down the house throughout the entire day, which in turn increases their electricity bill. But most importantly, there's many times where that room gets so warm, even with the AC on, it can never keep it cooled down because there's so much sun coming in and overpowering the AC. So what we recommend is our ceramic window film series. Now the great thing about using a high performance film like ceramic window film is you can get a light film that's virtually clear where it looks like nothing's on your window, or you can get a middle shaded film that's gonna help reduce a little bit of the glare. Or if you wanna reduce not only heat but also the harsh sunlight, you can get a dark shaded film. But all in all, even if you get a clear film or dark film, our ceramic series films is gonna reduce over 50% of the heat getting through your windows. So this will now allow your AC to catch up, and now you could help reduce your electricity bill, but most importantly, you can actually enjoy that room, whether it's in the morning or in the afternoon time when it tends to get hot. The second major reason homeowners reach out to us is for UV protection. So a lot of homeowners don't know this, but whether you have single pane or double pane windows, when the sunlight comes to those windows during the day and it hits your floors, it hits maybe wooden tables, paintings, rugs, furniture, over time, and we've seen it as quickly as 6 months to a year, it can start to fade and discolor them. And so a lot of times they reach out to us to prevent that from happening, because you can only imagine every year having to replace the rug, having to replace a set of chairs, having to replace a couch. It can get very expensive over time. And so what we recommend to them is our Clear Series ceramic films. Now these film is great because whether you get a clear film, a middle shaded film, or a dark film, they're all gonna block 99% of those harmful UV rays. So what that now means is forever, you don't have to worry about replacing anything in your home, because as the sunlight comes through, the light may enter, but the harmful UV rays that would discolor the couch, the floors, the rug, will no longer do that no more. So that's another great added benefit to getting a film that's specifically for UV protection. The third major reason why homeowners reach out to us is actually for privacy. So a lot of times homeowners want to enjoy the natural light, so they want to have their blinds open, curtains open, and they just want to be able to have all the natural light coming in through their windows. But if you do that, you're just gonna have a clear view inside your home. So they wanna add some type of film that's still gonna allow the natural light, but give them daytime privacy. So we have a film that is specifically designed to provide 100% daytime privacy. So now during the daytime, whether you have all your blinds and curtains and everything open, if people are walking down the street, driving by your house, maybe if there's a trail by your house, no matter what, you can have peace of mind and comfort knowing that you can enjoy the windows being open, but you can have that 100% daytime privacy so nobody can see inside your home and see who's there or see your home valuables. And the fourth reason that homeowners reach out to us is to help reduce the intensity of the sunlight, and because of that, it causes glare, especially on TV screens, tablets, phones. When you're in your living room or your bedroom, a lot of times throughout certain parts of the day, you get a big beam of sunlight coming in, and while it may be good to light up your home, sometimes it's so intense that it's just uncomfortable to be in and uncomfortable to really be in that room throughout that specific time of day. So we do have films that it can reduce maybe 40% of the glare, 60%, 80%, 90% of the glare, depending on how dark you want that room to go. But the great thing is you can help reduce that glare just enough to still let in all the natural light to fill up your room, but not to the point where it's gonna make it dark. So a lot of times they have that issue where it's just too intense and too much sunlight coming in. So we have a wide range of window films that'll help reduce it depending on how intense your specific situation is. So after learning about the 4 major reasons why homeowners reach out to us to tint their home windows, if getting home window tint is something that you're interested in and wanting more information about, above or below this video, there's gonna be a link that you can click onto and you can request free window film samples shipped directly to your home so you could take a look at them, hold them up against your window to see how they will look like on your home. Or if you have questions that maybe we didn't answer in this video, you can request a 100% free estimate, which would mean a representative will go out to your home, measure your windows, provide you not only the free estimate, free samples, but just help answer any lingering questions that maybe we didn't answer in this video. So like I said, click the link above or below this video and request your free samples or free 100% no obligation consultation, and we'll be more than happy to help answer any questions that you may have. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.